explain the doctrine of pleasure and state the exceptions enumerated in the Constitution of India. Ans. Doctrine of pleasures in England. The normal rule is that a civil servant of the Crown holds his office during the pleasure of the Crown. This means that his services can be terminated at any time by the Crown, without assigning any reason. Even if there is a contract of employment between the Crown is not bound by it. In other words, if a civil servant is dismissed from service, he cannot claim arrears of salary or damages for premature termination of his service. The doctrine of pleasure is based on the public policy. Article 310 of the Indian Constitution incorporates the common law doctrine of pleasure. It expressly provides that all persons who are members of the defence services or the civil services of the Union of All India Services hold office during the pleasure of the President. Similarly, members of the state services hold office during the pleasure of the Governor. But this rule of English law has not been fully adopted in this article. Thus, Article 310 itself places restrictions and limitations on the exercise of the pleasure under Article 310 is limited by Article 311(2). The services of permanent government servant cannot be terminated except in accordance with rules made under Article 309, subject to the procedure in Article 311(2) of the Constitution and the fundamental rights. The above doctrine of pleasure is invoked by the government in the public interest after a government servant attains the age of 50 years or has completed 25 years of service. This is constitutionally permissible as compulsory termination of service under FR 56(b) does not amount to removal or dismissal by way of punishment. While the government reserves its right under FR 56(b) to compulsory retire a government servant even against his wish, there is a corresponding right of the government servant under FR 56(c) to voluntarily retire from service by giving the government 3 months' notice. Restriction on doctrine of pleasure. The Constitution lays down the following limitations on the exercise of the doctrine of pleasure. 1. The pleasure of the President or Governor is controlled by provisions of Article 311, so the field covered by Article 311 is excluded from the operation of the doctrine of pleasure. Motiram v. North Eastern Frontier Railway, AIR 1964 SC 600. The pleasure must be exercised in accordance with the procedural safeguards provided by Article 311. 2. The tenure of the Supreme Court judges, Article 124, High Court judges, Article 218, Auditor General of India, Article 148(2). The Chief Election Commissioner, Article 324, and the Chairman and members of the Public Service Commission, Article 317, are not dependent on the pleasure of the President or the Governor, as the case may be. These posts are expressly excluded from the operation of the doctrine of pleasure. 3. The doctrine of pleasure is subject to the fundamental rights, Union of India v. PD. More. AIR 1962 SC 630, General Manager, S. RLY. V. Rangachari, AIR 1962 SC 36.